In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off game sounds on the website or app. If you like to focus, play in a quiet space, or you're recording your screen, turning off in-game sounds can make a big difference. The easiest and most reliable way to do that is directly in the app or website settings. Open Settings, then head to the section labeled Board and Pieces. In there, look for the option called Play Sounds. It's usually a simple toggle. Switch it off and you're done. Most platforms save this automatically the moment you change it, so you won't need to tap a separate save button. If you see a brief confirmation or the toggle stays off when you leave and come back, that's a good sign the change is locked in. That play sound setting typically controls the familiar clicks and alerts you hear during play. Things like move sounds, captures, checks, or end of game tones. Turning it off keeps the visuals the same while silencing the audio feedback. If you want to verify quietly, you can continue playing as usual. You should notice there's no sound when moves happen. If you're mid-game and need silence immediately, use your browser's tab mute feature for a quick fix. Most modern browsers show a tiny speaker icon on any tab that's playing audio, and you can mute that tab with a simple click or by right-clicking the tab to find the mute option. This is great when you don't want to dig through menus during a live match. Keep in mind though, muting the tab silences all audio from that site, not just the game sounds. For those using a phone and wanting a more persistent system-level approach, check your device's app settings. On most phones, you can adjust sound permissions or notification behavior per app, which helps keep the app quiet across sessions, even if you reinstall or switch accounts. This is helpful if you prefer the app to stay muted everywhere without revisiting in-app controls. To recap, for the cleanest experience inside the app or website, go to Settings, then Board and Pieces, and toggle off Play Sounds. Use your browser's tab mute when you need instant silence without leaving the game. And if you're on mobile and want long-term silence at the system level, review your phone's app settings. With these approaches, you'll have full control over when you hear sound and when you don't, so you can keep your focus exactly where you want it.